No matter how big or small your laundry room is, drying your clothes can be a real pain. But today we are adding to that Studio 5 love list with something that makes laundry so much easier. I need this. Studio 5 producer Mindy Dunyon bought a wall-mounted retractable clothing dryer last month, and she claims it is the best purchase of the year. You heard it, best purchase of the year. It looks pretty slick when it's not open and taking a minimal amount of space on the wall. So if you have a small laundry room, this is perfect. And when you need to hang your items, you just pull out the side arms to extend the drying rods, strong enough to hold anything. Your towels, your workout clothing, your tops, your pants, really anything you want to throw in that you don't want to throw in the dryer. It comes fully assembled with all the mounting hardware needed to install on the wall. Yes, please. You can find it for just under 70 bucks on Amazon. It's called the Step Up Laundry Drying Rack. It comes in a couple different sizes. What a cool safe spacing alternative to the bulkier dryer systems. I will be buying this. I am so frustrated when I have to hang dry everything, so adding to that cart as well. We'll post a link where you can purchase the drying rack on our website at studio5.ksl.com.